Hey, what's up, guys? We're at Walmart again playing the claw machine. I see Happy Birds, Mitt Romney, yeah, some stuff you can rate. Green Scooby-Doo and blue Scooby-Doo. So yeah, we're going to play the claw machine. Let's go for Mitt Romney first. Hang on. Get him over. I'm going to drop him. Okay, that's good, because I didn't want to rake it and then I'm like, falling over there. It's good. Oh man, it dropped. Okay, I gotta be more careful. Yes, get in there. Get in there, Mitt Romney. Get in there. Yeah, I got Mitt Romney. It's awesome. Prize one, Mitt Romney. Sweet. There's Happy Birds over there. Maybe I can make a Happy Bird in. Green Scooby-Doo. Okay. Zombie High guy. I have that guy. Let's see what we can do with the Happy Bird. Oh, get it? Okay. Alright. Drop it on. Oh, pick it up. Oh, yeah, see. There's no way you can pick it up because it's so fat. I think I'm gonna get this though. I only have $5 with me today, guys. Sorry about that. Okay. Alright, let's get this Happy Bird. Get in there. Happy Bird. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Happy Bird. Come on, don't push it back. Oh, yes, got the Happy Bird. Sweet. Awesome. Sweet. Alright, that's good. 2 prizes for $3. Sweet. Green Scooby-Doo might be good. Well, there's another Happy Bird over there. She-Devil. Another Happy Bird, Zombie High, Fruit Ninja, but it's kind of buried. There's a hat right there. Maybe I can get the hat too. Let's go for Green Scooby. That's it. Oh, there we go. That was kind of bad. I think the Happy Bird's in it, in the way. Maybe I can rate the Happy Bird over. Surprised so far. Maybe that blue Scooby-Doo too. Let's see if that Happy Bird's in the way. I want to get the Happy Bird out of the way. ran out of time again. I think that Happy Bird's kind of in the way. Darn it, I was hoping I could get that green Scooby-Doo. $1.50 left. Let's try to rake the ghost in. Yeah, it's got the ghost. Sweet. Let's go for the vampire. 3 prizes so far. That's awesome. $1 left. I don't really want that hat. Vote stuff. If you guys noticed that President Obama is running for another 4 years. No comment on me because I don't want to lose any subscribers. Yeah, so no comment for me. I like both of them. Oh, look at this. Sugarloaf collect all 9 reindeer. Sugarloaf shop. There's one of them. That's cool. I'll be right back, guys. Sorry about that, guys. There was a couple of cops that just walked right past me, so I just stopped filming for a second. They're gone right there. There's a huge accident right there. I don't know what happened. Yeah. I want that Happy Bird. I want that Scooby. Green Scooby, but that stupid Happy Toucan Bird is in the way. $1 left. I really want that Fruit Ninja, but he's just too buried. And it needs to be like near the prize chute. $1 more left. I'll be right back again, guys. Sorry about that again, guys. There's some cops like all around here, so this is gonna be my last dollar for the video, because I don't want to get busted. But yeah, last dollar. Ah, shoot. That's what I didn't want to do. Last try, guys, for the video. We're going to go for this blue Scooby-Doo, see if we can dig him out. Let's drop it right there. I hit the Fred Flintstone. I don't think it's gonna grab him. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. Guys, since there's sheriffs all around, I'm gonna count the prizes at my house. So yeah, you guys saw though, I won the Ghost, the Happy Bird, and the Mitt Romney. So yeah, I'm gonna call it quits because there's a huge cop commotion right there. There's 3 cops and 2 ambulances. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, rate, and comment for more claw videos. And then, here, as always, here's some shoutouts. Hey, what's up, guys? Counting99 here. As always, shoutouts and prize for the day. Prize number 1, we got this ghost boo that says boo across the thing. Then we got this Mitt Romney head, which I raked in. All these prizes I raked in because it's the claw again, where you can, as you guys already know, you can drop it and then move it. I love that claw machine. It's awesome. So yeah, and then the last prize we got was this Happy Bird. Reed 207. He was talking about these a week ago. So yeah, it's kind of cool. The sticker, the tag right there, and then there's a bunch of collect all 6. So yeah, I have that one right there. Just need that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So, cool. Yeah. So yeah, I can't wait to publish this because hopefully I'll get like a lot of views because about Happi Birds and because Reed207 was talking about them. All right. So yeah, as always, shout outs, guys. Matt3756, Crane Reel, KK Rose Magic, Claw Pro 3756, Claw Rose 16, 3756 Squill, Online Crane, Gan X1, the unique one 1973, Tick Fall 33, Reed 207, the Claw Machine Master, Basketball 435, Lego Man 824, Claw Machine Head, Claw GS, Tyler Crane, Alan Kavorkov, Gibble Claw 9, Electric Flub, Aaron Hips, Mr. Awesome 689, Marked Video, Review Guy 3000, Rotating Cookie, The Strange Way 101, Retro Gamer Gaming, Mr. Claw King, Legit X Trinity, Adam the Clawmaster UK, the Claw Boss, Clawmaster Italy, Irv 72, you got pwned 888, JTS Claw, Angie 3756, Webpole 134, Woodson 81, Michael Nash 11, Jason Garfield 11, Crazy Girl Small World, Clawmasterish, Potvin 48, Cool Thing 16, Crazy Monkey 720123, Ghost Glory 35, the Top Skid Baseball. Is that it? Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, go check out all these people I said. Most of them play the Claw Machine. So yeah, it's just it, guys. Please subscribe, rate, and comment for more Claw videos. Yeah, and thank you guys for watching.